Okay, so typically banks don't actually calculate your interest every year because let's say you wanted to get your money out of the bank in the middle of a year. They wouldn't know how much money to give you. So one thing that we can do is we can calculate interest every month. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually calculate the monthly rate of interest. So if I have my yearly interest rate, which is 2.2% in this example, okay, we call that the annual percentage rate. Some people call this, abbreviate this as APR, annual percentage rate. All right. Well, one thing that banks do, one thing that banks do is they say, okay, well, we're going to take your monthly rate, your yearly rate of 2%, and we're going to divide that by 12 because obviously there are 12 months in a year. So now my monthly rate, if I took my 2% and divided it by 12, I would make 0.1667% per month on my interest. So what I would like you to do is to take this table and calculate the interest earned now that you have your date set, the interest earned each month. So I'll do the first one with you. So this would be equals, I invested $5,000 and I'm multiplying that by my monthly rate, not my yearly rate, the monthly rate, which is just the yearly rate divided by 12. I split up that yearly rate into 12 pieces. Okay, there's my $8.33. I can now take my 5,000 and add the $8.33, and I would get $5,008.33. So using my monthly rate at the end of on November 14th, I would have $5,008.33. Again, I can take this number now, this amount, multiply it by my percentage. That's my new interest. Notice it went up a little bit, $8.35. That's because I had a little bit more than $5,000 in the account. I originally started with $5,000. Now I have $5,008. I get a little bit more interest, and this equals my amount in the account is going to be my interest plus my old amount, which is this number. So you guys now should be able to fill out the rest of the chart without my help at all, okay? Because it's the same exact thing as if we were doing yearly interest, except we're using the monthly rate now, which is just the yearly rate divided by 12, as opposed to the yearly rate. So you guys are going to fill that out, okay? And then you're going to watch the third video where I'm going to ask you some, well, actually, yes, you're going to, you're going to actually compare, you're going to answer some questions before you watch the third video. You're going to compare the yearly rate table, which is the first half of the sheet, to the monthly rate table. All right, and you're going to answer some questions on the quiz before you go on to the third video. Okay, good.